Let me show you how we can use replace function in Microsoft Word on your Mac. Head to the top menu, the third one, edit. Here we got function called find. If you hover your mouse here, you will have option to find, but also to replace. So click on that. It will pop up this additional sidebar here on the left. Now, what is the word you want to find and replace? In my case, that's the name, Tom. As you can see, now it's highlighted with the yellow highlighter in the text. And what is the new word that you want to put instead of Tom? Mark. Now I can replace only one instance, or I can click replace all. All done. We made 9 replacements. Okay. And that's how you do it. So to open this find and replace pop-up on the left, head to edit, find, replace. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.